Have you ever noticed that famous bottle of Maker's Mark sitting on a store shelf? Not because of the whiskey inside, but because of the bright red wax dripping down the neck of the bottle. It looks handmade, it looks unique, and no two bottles look exactly the same. In fact, that iconic red wax has become one of the most recognizable symbols in the entire whiskey industry. But here's the crazy part. Before that red wax ever touches a bottle, the whiskey inside has already completed a journey that can take years. It starts with simple grains grown on farms and passes through giant cooking tanks, fermentation systems, copper stills, massive barrel warehouses, quality control laboratories, and high-speed bottling lines. What begins as corn, wheat, barley, and water eventually becomes one of the most famous bourbons in the world.
The story begins in Kentucky, the heart of American bourbon production. One of the reasons Maker's Mark stands out is its unique grain recipe. While many bourbons use rye as their secondary grain, Maker's Mark uses soft red winter wheat. This small difference has a major impact on flavor, creating the smooth and approachable character that the brand is known for. Every day, truckloads of corn, wheat, and malted barley arrive at the distillery, where they are carefully inspected before entering production. Once approved, the grains are cleaned and sent through milling equipment. Large grinding systems crush the grains into a coarse meal, making it easier to access the starches hidden inside.
The milled grain is then transferred to large cooking vessels where it is mixed with pure water. As heat is applied, the starches begin breaking down and preparing for the next stage of production. Inside the cooking tanks, temperatures are carefully controlled because different grains require different conditions. Corn is cooked first, followed by wheat and malted barley. At first, the mixture resembles a thick porridge. However, something much more important is happening beneath the surface.
Natural enzymes from the malted barley begin converting starches into sugars that yeast can later consume. By the time the cooking process is complete, the mixture has transformed into a sweet liquid known as mash. The mash is then pumped into massive fermentation tanks. This is where the science of whiskey production truly begins. Special yeast strains are added to the sweet liquid, and almost immediately the fermentation process starts. The yeast feeds on the sugars and converts them into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Over the next several days, the tanks become highly active as bubbles rise continuously to the surface. As fermentation continues, the sweet mash slowly transforms into a liquid known as distiller's beer. Although it now contains alcohol, it still doesn't resemble whiskey in flavor, color, or aroma.
The liquid is cloudy, relatively weak, and far from the premium bourbon that consumers eventually purchase. The next stage is responsible for changing that. The fermented liquid is transferred into large copper stills for distillation. These impressive pieces of equipment use heat to separate alcohol from water and other compounds. As the liquid warms, alcohol vapors rise through the system and travel into cooling sections where they condense back into liquid form. The result is a much stronger and pure spirit.
After distillation, the whiskey is crystal clear. Surprisingly, it has none of the golden brown color people associate with bourbon. That's because the color doesn't come from the grains, it comes later from the barrels. Before aging begins, quality control teams carefully analyze the spirit to ensure it meets production standards. Only approved batches continue forward. Now comes one of the most important stages in the entire process: barrel aging. The fresh spirit is transferred into brand new American oak barrels that have been heavily charred on the inside.
These barrels are far more important than most people realize. Much of the whiskey's final flavor, aroma, and color will come directly from the wood itself. The inside of each barrel is exposed to intense flames before use. This creates a layer of charcoal while opening the wood structure beneath it. Once filled, the barrels are transported into enormous aging warehouses where they will remain for years. Unlike many factory products that can be completed within hours, bourbon requires patience.
Inside the warehouses, temperatures change constantly throughout the seasons. During warm weather, the whiskey expands into the wood. During cooler periods, it contracts back into the barrel. This repeated movement allows the spirit to extract flavor compounds from the oak. Slowly, notes of vanilla, caramel, oak, spice, and sweetness begin developing. And here's something fascinating. Not every barrel ages the same way. The location of a barrel inside the warehouse can affect temperature exposure and aging speed.
As a result, every barrel develops slightly different characteristics. This is why experienced tasting teams regularly sample barrels and monitor their progress over time. After years of maturation, selected barrels are chosen for bottling. The whiskey is removed from the barrels and carefully blended to achieve consistency. Consumers expect every bottle of Maker's Mark to deliver the same recognizable flavor profile, and blending helps maintain that standard year after year. Before bottling begins, the whiskey undergoes additional filtration and laboratory testing. Specialists examine alcohol content, appearance, flavor, aroma, and overall quality. Every batch must meet strict requirements before moving to the packaging line. The bottling facility operates at incredible speed. Empty glass bottles travel along automated conveyors where they are cleaned and prepared. Precision filling machines dispense exact amounts of whiskey into each bottle before caps and labels are applied. Advanced camera systems inspect every bottle for defects, ensuring only properly filled and labeled products continue forward. At this point, most whiskey brands would be finished. But Maker's Mark still has one final signature step, the famous red wax seal. This is the stage that has made the brand instantly recognizable around the world. After bottling, each bottle moves towards a specialized wax dipping station. The neck of the bottle is submerged into heated red wax, maintained at carefully controlled temperatures. As the bottle is removed, excess wax naturally flows downward. Gravity creates the iconic dripping effect that people immediately associate with Maker's Mark. Unlike many packaging elements that are produced with perfect uniformity, the wax drips differently on every bottle. That means no two bottles look exactly alike. Some bottles have longer drips, some have shorter ones, some form unique patterns. Each bottle receives its own individual wax signature. The wax then cools and hardens, creating one of the most recognizable package designs in the spirits industry. Even people who know very little about bourbon can often identify a bottle of Maker's Mark simply by looking at the red wax. After the wax has fully set, workers perform final inspections. They examine labels, closures, fill levels, packaging quality, and wax appearance before approving the product for shipment. The finished bottles are packed into cartons and prepared for distribution. From there, trucks transport the whiskey to warehouses, retailers, bars, restaurants, and stores around the world. Within weeks, the same grains that entered the distillery have been transformed into premium bourbon whiskey enjoyed by millions of people. So the next time you see a bottle of Maker's Mark, take a closer look at the red wax dripping down the neck. It's more than just decoration. It's the final step in a production process that transforms simple ingredients into one of America's most famous bourbons. And that is how Maker's Mark whiskey is made inside a modern factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing manufacturing and production stories. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.